Let's build this glowing text reveal inside After Effects. First, under Animate, cause opacity, then inside the range selector, add a keyframe for offset, starting at 0 and ending at 100 over the span of 1 second. Set the opacity value to 0. Next, duplicate this layer and rename it Glow. You can hide the original layer for now. In the range selector of the Glow layer, animate the end property together with the offset. Start both as 0 and have them reach 100 at the same time. Under Advanced, switch the mode from Add to Subtract so that we only get a short portion of the glowing text visible. If needed, reduce smoothness to around 50 to make the fade-in less soft. Now, with the second layer selected, disable the fill and enable the stroke instead. Set the stroke width to around 5. For color, you can pick any hue, but I prefer using a 4 color gradient. So, I will create a solid layer. Name it Gradient. And apply the 4 color gradient effect. Let's cause warm tones. Orange, yellow and a touch of red. To make them move, I will use one expression. Alt-click on point 1 and type wiggle 0.5 on 1000. Then copy and paste the same expression to the other points as well. Now all colors are shifting dynamically inside the comp. Set this gradient layer as a track matte for the glow layer. This gives our text a more lively look, with animated color variation rather than a flat tone. Next, we will apply a glow effect to the next. You can use deep glow if you have, but I will stick with the default one. Increase the glow radius to 50. Then raise the intensity a bit. Duplicate the glow effect and set the second radius to 400. That gives a similar strong glow effect. Now, bring back the main text layer. And we have our glowing text reveal. To make this setup more flexible, we can connect the glow layer to the main text layer. Parent the glow layer to the first one, expand both, and on the glow layer, alt-click, search text. Use the pick whip to link it to the search text of the main layer. That's it. A quick and simple glowing text reveal inside After Effects. Easy to customize and browse. Thanks for following along and see you in the next one.